Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to an SFTP server on VPS using SSH keys, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, ensure that you have a VPS set up and running. Access your VPS using the terminal or command prompt. Use the SSH command to connect to your VPS. Type SSH username at your _VPS_IP and replace username with your actual username. Enter your password when prompted to log in. Next, check if SSH keygen is installed by typing SSH keygen TRSA. Press enter to accept the default location for the key files. You can also set a passphrase for added security. This will generate two files, a public key and a private key. To view your public key, type cat//id_rsa.pub. Copy the entire output of the public key to your clipboard. Now, log into your VPS again if you are not already connected. Create a .ssh directory in your home folder if it doesn't exist by typing dirp/.ssh. Set the correct permissions for this directory with chmod 700/.ssh. Now, open the authorized_keys file by typing nano/.ssh/authorized_keys. Paste your public key into this file and save it. Use chmod 600/.ssh/authorized_keys to set the appropriate permissions. Now, exit the VPS terminal using the exit command. To test your SSH key authentication, reconnect to your VPS with the SSH command again. This time, it should log you in without asking for a password. For SFTP access, you can use an SFTP client like FileZilla. Open FileZilla and go to the Site Manager. Create a new site entry with your VPS IP address under the host field. Set the protocol to SFTP. Under the logon type, select Key File. In the user field, enter your username. Choose your private key file by clicking on the corresponding field. Click Connect to establish the SFTP connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.